My name is Jose Navarrete in group 34. In module 6, we learn about politics of algorithms. We'll take another look at women and minorities in engineering, as well as the social, economic, political, and racial consequences of information, communication, computing technology. Some overall characteristics of algorithms are they are private and proprietary, they are usually for profit, and largely designed by white males. Because of this, they tend to have biases, in particular toward consumers. Some examples of algorithms are in facial recognition, financial algorithms, and self-driving cars. 2% of jobs in America are truck and car driving positions that algorithms will soon replace. In this case, corporations with algorithms will benefit while employers are losing. In this module, we also revisit women and minorities in engineering. In the mid-1900s, they are still excluded from schools in engineering. But in World War II, women are allowed to work in factory jobs, even as engineering aides. Though when the war ended, women were soon pushed out. Despite this, women still excelled. They were the first actual computers for NASA before computers came along, and they helped the US reach spaceflight in the mid-1900s. They were also first early programmers. The Civil Rights Era helped to improve inequality for women and minorities, but overall representation in STEM is still low. There has also been a slight decline in women, African Americans, and Native Americans in engineering since 2000. This can be attributed to the fact that engineering overall is still not inviting to these groups. Coming back to algorithms and technology, we will also discuss blockchain, e-waste, and the environment. Blockchain is a distributed ledger that is transparent and can have many benefits, with Bitcoin being one of them. Bitcoin is valuable because of its scarcity, but it requires maintenance and consumes a lot of energy. The internet also consumes a lot of energy, taking up 2% of global usage. It also creates waste. The US exports its e-waste to poor countries, which affects poor communities negatively because they scavenge for metals and other resources in the e-waste. Lastly, we look at search engines and social media. Search engines mostly make money and deliver information already being consumed and perpetuates a narrow view of reality. Because search engines reinforce racism and biases, people like Sophia Noble are proposing different search engines like her Imagine engine, where users would have to manually choose to see negative, racist, and sexual search results. Social media has benefits, but it creates tribalism, hate speech, and data collection by corporations. Data they collect is sold to other companies for profit, and YouTube is one of the only platforms taking steps to correct hate speech in recent times. In this module, we see that there is much room for improvement in many aspects of engineering, and as we enter these and other fields, we should ask ourselves the hard questions and look closely at the roles we will play. Thank you.